Hi everyone, welcome to Cinema Space 4K. Most of you know that the Note 21 Ultra is coming soon. I'm sure you have been thinking that why I am still looking at the Samsung Galaxy Note 4 which was released back in 2014. It's a very simple reason, but it's very complicated. Let me explain this. The Note series of Samsung was always special because it had a S Pen which was very magnificent at the starting. I still remember watching reviews of this phone when it first came out like back in 2014, and I was thinking myself at that time, if we picked up this phone, this was the best phone at that time. It was the best camera of any smartphone at that time. But now things have changed. Smartphones have evolved greatly during the years. Now no one wants this phone. But let me tell you that this phone performs better than most of the budget smartphones. I bought the Samsung Galaxy Note 4 refurbished for less than $100, which is very cheap, but the features this phone has is still mind-blowing for the price. You can never get this much features in a $100 phone. Sure, it is usable as a web browser and an email checker, but there's something else. Because this was the best phone in 2014, it has all the features and specifications of a smartphone in 2014. The best smartphone of 2014. First, let us look at the camera. The camera is 1x2.6 inch sensor f2.2 16 megapixel one with a 16:9 aspect ratio. There are some modes in this one, but there's no Pro mode or manual mode. One interesting thing is that this smartphone can record 4K videos up to 30 frames per second with optical image stabilization. I bet you can find a single smartphone under $100 with optical image stabilization, let alone 4K definition. This smartphone also has HDR, but unlike budget phones, the photo you are seeing in the screen is the exact representation of the photo you are going to be taken. No dual camera setup or any other fancy stuff. But this camera is an awesome camera even in 2021. Here are some video and photo samples so you can look at the performance in 2021. Look at the video quality. I bet you can never find a smartphone under $100 or even under $200 with this kind of video quality. One annoying thing about the design is that this smartphone has got a slide-in fingerprint scanner, but you will get used to it. There's also the S Pen micro USB 2.0 charging port. Let's not forget about the headphone jack, because this is not present even in the Note 20 Ultra smartphone. YouTube playback runs smoothly. Even though this phone has a Quad HD resolution screen, YouTube cannot display more than 1080p at 30 fps or 720p at 60 fps because the limitation of some codecs this smartphone does not support. However, you can load some videos from your PC and this will play fine even in 4K 60 frames per second. This smartphone was the last Samsung Galaxy's Note smartphone with a removable battery. Even though the battery is a 30 to 20 mAh battery, this smartphone had an amazing charge. I recently bought a third-party battery, but look at the condition of this battery. It is gone. So I'm recommending to only use original Samsung batteries with this smartphone, otherwise you will get in trouble. The gaming performance is still above average than many other mid-range smartphones. This can even play Asphalt 9, PUBG, etc. with best performance. Look at me playing Geometry Dash with no hiccups or lags. This game can easily achieve above 50 frames per second on this smartphone. The smartphone's refresh rate is not fancy 120Hz or 90Hz. This is just a 60Hz smartphone display. But the display is Super AMOLED Plus display, which is the industry leading now in terms of smartphone displays. The display looks vibrant and always stand out in the crowd of budget smartphone with an LCD display. The smartphone is plenty bright too, but was not the brightest among others in 2014. The gaming, media are everything fine in this smartphone. You should try this smartphone first before buying one, because you may be unsatisfied about the older Android version and other stuff. Okay guys, that's the video. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. See you again in our next video.